Go ahead, Viha, all yours.
Good, good evening, everyone. This is Viha from Grade 5 CB Raman in my school. Today, I'll be talking about my Python project showcase. Let's begin. About me. I study in Silver Oaks International School. My hobbies are reading, writing, studying, tennis, singing, and coding. I live in Bangalore, Karnataka, but I'm from Andhra Pradesh. My hobby, my hobbies and goals are sustainable living and becoming an author. I've been learning from WiByte ever since the launch a few years ago, and this Python course has been the best one yet. Let's take a look at it. Here's some information about the course. The objective of the course is to learn and grow with Python and get used to text-based coding. The method was fun-filled projects brimming with opportunity, and the results were that we can all now use Python in countless ways. My favorites. Today I'll be showing you my favorite project that both taught me crafty concepts like lists, indexing, and rare operations like modulo and floor division, but was also breathtakingly realistic. Presenting to you the shop till you drop store chain. Here are some snippets of my code and how it runs. Insights in my project. Firstly, it was awesome. Secondly, it showed me that even huge stores like Amazon and Big Basket can be as simple as my little program with graphics. Thirdly, let's go look at my program. Here it is. Welcome to the shop till you drop store chain. Here's how it works. First, an employee of the store welcomes you and allows you to choose a currency. Let's go for Indian rupees. After which you can choose a department and start shopping. Let's go for the home department. From here, we can start buying items. First, let's get a few shelves, some decor, and 3 beds. Let's go to checkout. Here, the shopping cart is displayed along with the currency, and the total is displayed as well. After this, we are allowed to remove items. Maybe we don't need 3 beds. Let's go for 1. We have to select item 3 and remove 2. Let's proceed to checkout. At checkout, you have an option to avail a varying discount that provides a sufficient profit to the store. Let's opt for the discount. After opting for the discount, we get options to avail it. Let's try adding 7 tables. After adding this new item, our shopping cart is displayed yet again, showing us what we've added and the bill, along with discounts and taxes displayed clearly. Our final bill is displayed as well. Let's take a little look at the code. As you can see, this is plain old Python, no graphics or objects. After finishing the class projects, I decided to add a few bonuses. Firstly, I made different departments, as you can see in the top, right here, by changing the items in the store, or the menu as I call it. I also let the user choose currency. There are 5 currencies: INR, USD, JPY, EUR, and GBP. This is a fairly simple while loop that constricts your entry to the next code by only letting you through once you choose the currency. Later, I've also added a section of code that changes your discount depending on how much you've bought. As you can see here, if your total is over 2,500, I change your discount. But if it's over 10,000, it's a solid 40%. Below 2,500, it's always 10%. I also added code to let you remove items but not allow you to take money from the store by emptying an item when asked to remove more than in the cart. I also changed the discount based on order price. The new things I learned from the project were floor division, list functions, and shortening code. Here's a little photo op before we end. This is my profile on Replit, one of our turtle projects, the code for the first project and the first project. The first thing I printed on Python was the classic Hello World line, and now I'm at a place where I can do anything that comes to my mind with all of my might. Thank you for all that you've taught me, sir, and all of my classmates. Are there any questions?
So Viha, first of all, I think I must thank you for such a beautiful presentation. I mean, this is really, really well done. You know, I think this is the way you built up the entire presentation, the slides, the fonts, everything is phenomenal. Your code, you have done exceedingly well in this project as well as in the other projects, and that's also to do with your enthusiasm, your hard work, your energy in learning new things. Your curiosity is what basically drives you. So really appreciate that as well, right? So very, very well done. Proud of you. I'll if anybody has any questions or comments for Viha, please go ahead and
So the presentation was really amazing. Like the way she took it, it was eye-catching.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you for watching.
So well done, Viha. Thank you so much for this, and keep programming. I mean, you have the energy, the drive, the curiosity, like I said, and now we also have practice problems on the website. You can try those. There are other resources as well. So keep programming. You're going to get go from strength to strength, basically.
All right.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Take care. Thank you so much. Well done.